Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I will have been trying. I will have been trying. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲೇ ಇರುವೆನು. We have been working. We have been working. ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲೇ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. We had been working. We had been working. ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲೇ ಇದ್ದೆವು. We will have been working. We will have been working. ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲೇ ಇರುವೆವು. I am reading. I am reading. ನಾನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I was reading. I was reading. ನಾನು ಓದುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆನು. I will be reading. I will be reading. ನಾನು ಓದುತ್ತಾ ಇರುವೆನು. He has been learning. He has been learning. ಅವನು ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. They will go. They will go. ಅವರು ಹೋಗುವರು. He has learned. He has learned. ಅವನು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. They have gone. They have gone. ಅವರು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I will be drinking. I will be drinking. ನಾನು ಕುಡಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಇರುವೆನು. He will teach me English. He will teach me English. ಅವನು ನನಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸುವನು. We play every day. We play every day. ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಆಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. I will come later. I will come later. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಡವಾಗಿ ಬರುವೆನು. We will play tomorrow. We will play tomorrow. ನಾವು ನಾಳೆ ಆಡುವೆವು. Manu will come today. Manu will come today. ಮನು ಇವತ್ತೇ ಬರುವನು. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.